What up, squad? Yeah, we back with another one. AirPods Pro cases, these hotter than a sauna, son. Rather have these on than have scratches on my new cases. No matter if it's custom painted white, man, it's a disgrace. I said it. Link for all these cases, have them down below. Now, if you want to see more, then watch this video, though. I'll show you maybe what you want and what you need to know. Hit the subscribe button right now and enjoy the show. Squad.
What up, y'all? Welcome back. C-Kid Tech here, man. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. This is a channel where I like to talk as well as rap about all things tech, just like you heard in the intro of this video, man. So if that is something y'all are interested in, then definitely click on that subscribe button down below, man, as well as click on that notification bell, so that way you ain't missing out on none of these dope videos your boy got coming y'all way. All right, so what are we talking about today, man? Today I'm continuing the series where I show you guys some Apple AirPods Pro cases that I think are going to be super dope and give your AirPods Pro, you know, get away from this plain Jane white look, man, that for some reason Apple just decided not to give us colors. And so a bunch of different manufacturers, third-party manufacturers have been coming out with some super dope cases, and I am here to show you every single one of them. As long as you guys keep watching, and it seems like you guys love this series, so I am going to keep doing this series for you guys and showing you guys some of the best cases that you guys can get. And some of them are actually very unique, but some very, very dope cases, man, that I think are gonna be perfect for your brand new AirPods Pro that you guys might have just picked up or you got them during the holiday season. Anyway, this is gonna be a video for you guys. Now, I have actually two different AirPods Pro right here. I got my custom painted ones from my friends over at Colorware. If you wanna know more about this one, I'll link that video down in the description below, as well as throw it up here on the card here a little later in this video. And then I have my plain Jane white ones here, which is the stock version that you guys get right out of the store. If you guys were going to Apple, or if you go to apple.com, pick up you a pair, or I have a link for them down in the description below if you guys want to purchase them there as well. But these cases here are going to be mainly for this one, as I don't put cases on my custom Colorware one that I have right here, just because I just like the matte black finish that it has. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the very first one and work our way from left to right. All right, so the very first one I got to show y'all is Venom. Now, this one here is a character from Spider-Man, from the Marvel Comics world. So if you guys are familiar with this character, then you guys already know who this is. And but yeah, I really like this case, man. It fits really good on the case. Also, it feels really good in the hands as well. Sometimes these round cases can feel too big, and there's actually one on this table that might actually be too big, but we're gonna get to that a little later in this video. But as far as this one, man, this one here actually feels really good in the hands. It makes it feel complete. I also love the design. I am a design freak, so I do love the attention to details with the design of this one. Now, as far as the bottom, you do get a cutout underneath it for you guys to be able to use to charge up. Now, all of these cases that I'm showing you guys right here will work on a Qi wireless charger, so you can just sit it down and boom, it will continue to charge. Now, one thing I will say I don't like about this case is that it does not have a cutout in the front for you to be able to see your charging level. So that is kind of something that I wish a lot of these case manufacturers for AirPods Pro would actually improve on, is the fact that they give us that whole cutout so we can actually see what the charging indicator is. But if you want to see that, you will have to take it out of the case, but these will work on a Qi wireless charger. I did take the top off, put these down, and it will work on a Qi wireless charger, as well as I will have a links for every single one of these down in the description below for you guys to check out. Now, the last thing before I get to the next case that I really like is I like the fact that this top and bottom is separate. Again, the reason why I love the fact that the top and bottoms are separate is because if I open it up, it allows space for the top to be able to open without pushing this top part off of the top part of the case. And so I always love when I can find AirPods Pro cases where the top and the bottom are completely separate. And if they're not separate, you will find me cutting them just like I did in this video right up here. So if you guys want to check that out, definitely make sure you guys check that out. I'll give you guys my little sneak peek and my little secret on how I actually cut my cases if the top and bottom are actually attached. So but yeah, that is the Venom case. So if you guys are interested in picking that one up, link for it is down in the description below. All right, so the next one I got to show y'all is no doubt for my gamers out there. This one here is the Xbox controller. Now, if you guys are gamers out there, man, then you already know Xbox no doubt makes the best gaming controllers on the market. I know I'm a Sony guy. I got the Sony PlayStation right behind me, but I gotta call a spade, man. The Xbox One controllers are no doubt some of the best controllers that you can get out there on the market. So I was hyped when I was actually able to find a case that mocks that for my Apple AirPods Pro. And so this one here, man, is the Xbox One controller that you guys can see right here. Also on the bottom, we got the cutout. And honestly, man, it feels like I can legit play this if I wanted to, but obviously it's a case it can't. But the details on it is super dope, man. You got your menu buttons here. You got your YXBA buttons. You got your D-pad right here. You got your other controller. So I mean, it's kind of dope. And you got your, your R and your L button up at the top. So the attention to detail with this actual case here, man, is pretty good. And they also, I love the fact, again, top and bottom is separate, man. So that way I know I'm going to get a snug fit from the top of my case as well as on the bottom of my case when I'm actually trying to open and close these up, and I don't have to worry about the top sliding off just because it's pushing off of the back. And so that is always, again, a plus. Sit this down on the Qi wireless charger, you won't have any issues with that at all, although this is a pretty thick case. But I still think it has a nice form factor in my hands to where, I won't feel like it's too big to be able to carry. You can still slide it in your pocket, but I will be honest, it does bulge a little bit in your pocket, so definitely be aware of that. This is going to be something more if you're throwing this into a bag, or if you're clipping this, you can use the clip here to clip onto your backpack or clip on to your belt loop or something like that. But overall, man, the Xbox controller is no doubt a fan favorite of mine, and definitely one I'm going to be rocking on here a lot. All right, so the next one I got to show y'all is no doubt fitting for right now. So backstory here, last night I actually watched the Joker. The Joker movie is no doubt one of the dopest movies of last year. Like, it was, man, like that movie was super dope. And it actually got me feeling a kind of way about the Batman family and Bruce Wayne and Thomas Wayne and all of them. It got me feeling some kind of way about the Bruce Wayne family. But anyway, I decided to put on here Batman, man. This is the Batman one right here. I think this one looks super dope on here. I actually got a Batman shirt that I will pop up here on the screen that I think this one would pair super dope with. And this one here, again, underneath it, you got the cutouts from the bottom. But I love how, like, perfect this one actually fits. Like, as far as the shape of the AirPods having, like, this kind of a rectangular shape, this one here really rounds off everything, and it just really feels extremely good to hold in the hands. Material on it is really good. Again, top and bottom is separate. Y'all already know how I like that. Put this down on the Qi wireless charger, will charge up. Again, you don't have a cutout in the center here, as well as you don't have a cutout here on the Xbox controller as well, which is something I wish they actually would have put on the Xbox One controller, because I felt like that would have just added to it just even more. But anyway, you don't have it. And then you also don't have the reset indentation here on the back to be able to do that as well. And I actually don't think you have it on neither one of these. Yes, you don't have it on neither one of those two, as well as this one as well. So this is the Batman case that I think looks super dope, even though I feel some kind of way still about the Bruce Wayne family. But again, the Joker movie was super dope. Make sure y'all go check that out. Batman case is on deck. All right, so the next one I got to show y'all is no doubt is one I thought was going to be a favorite of mine, and it is not. This one here, I do not recommend you guys go check out. This is the Superman one. Again, I will have a link for it down in the description below if y'all still want to pick it up, but it honestly does not fit perfect on here at all. Like, I literally have it pushed all the way down, and you can see here there's a crazy amount of gap that's on this one. Even like look at the sides of it, look at the back, and I'll throw it up closer so you guys can see it. But this one here is no doubt one I would not buy. Yeah, this one's just terrible. So let's just move on. And it's like this mug stuck in here. I can't even get this bad boy out. Superman done heal me up. Finally got that bad boy out. Bro, that's ridiculous. All right, so the next one I gotta show y'all, man, is this famous one right here, man. This is the infamous dog that I'm pretty sure you guys have probably seen out there somewhere once or twice out there. But this one here I think looks dope. It's definitely giving a different type of vibe to your case. If you like that nice little kind of pug face look. And then also we got on the back here, top and bottom is definitely separated, something that I like. And then on the bottom here, you got the cutout. Now you do not have a place here where you can actually see, the status of your case in itself. So that is something, again, keep in mind for that. If you guys are interested in that, then these will probably not be the cases for you. But again, it's not that big of a deal for me, since I either always plug in mine in or I have it sitting down on a Qi wireless charger or something like that. And then also on the back here, man, you're not gonna have the press for you guys to be able to reset these if you need to reset them or connect them to another device or something like that. But all in all, man, I think overall, I think this one actually looks dope. Again, you have the clip on the side here where you can clip it to a belt loop or clip it to a backpack or something like that. Overall, I think this one looks dope, and I definitely think it is something you guys need to check out. I will have a link for it down in the description below. All right, y'all, so the next one right here, man, is no doubt my favorite one out of the entire bunch, and that one is the Jordan 1s. I think this one here looks super dope. And actually, I don't even have this colorway here for the Jordan 1s that I have. I was actually looking for the red and black ones that I got. I think that one would look super dope. I compare it with my kicks. And but overall, man, I think this one here is super dope, and it would no doubt, guys, I'm telling you, no doubt would be a conversation piece. People will be asking you, where did you get this case from? All in all, you can direct them right here to the video. I will have a link for it right down in the description below for you to pick up, as well as for whoever you tell to go pick up as well, man. But this one here looks super dope. Again, top and bottom is no doubt separated, something y'all already know I like. And then underneath it on the bottom here, you got a cutout here to be able to plug in if you guys still want to do that. Still Qi wirelessly enabled for you guys to be able to do that. Clip here on the side if you want to clip it onto your belt loop, backpack, all of that. Again, does not have a cutout here in the front for you guys to be able to see the charger indicator, but still not that big of a deal. But I think overall, man, style wise, I think this one is no doubt the most swaggiest one out of the entire bunch. I just think this one just looks dope. And then another thing I like about it is that it stands up, it stands on its own, which is something that I really can't say about any of the other ones and just past ones that I've had on the channel. A lot of these you can't really stand them up, but the fact that I can kind of sit them up like that, man, I just think it just looks super dope, man. Highly recommend y'all go check this one out. I really do like this one. And again, I think this is the easier one to be able to pair with an outfit or something like that. So definitely make sure y'all go check this one out. Link for it is down in the description below. All right, y'all, and last but not least, man, a fan favorite is no doubt the old school MMone ones, man. They used to do a lot of commercials with these. I don't even have cable, so I'm not even sure if they still run these commercials. But this is the MMone one right here, man. I think this one here looks super dope. It's already with the red, so you know, I already know, man, that black and red thing is definitely the move. And so this one here, man, is the MMone one here. Again, you got the cutout underneath at the bottom. Now, I will say this cutout on this one is like super deep. But again, if you got a cable or whatever, or if you're wanting to sit this down on like a port or something like that, you might have issues with that with this one just because the port is so deep down inside of there. And then also, again, top and bottom is completely separate. You don't have to worry about the case sliding off or something like that. You still get that nice click if that is something that you guys want. You don't have the visualization for you guys to be able to see the charger indicator. But again, not that big of a deal for me. And then you don't have the reset button because again, I'm not pairing these to a lot of other different devices just because I mainly use these with my my iPhone. So these, all I gotta do is open them up, pop them in my ears, and I'm good to go. But yeah, that is the MMone one. I also think they have the other color M&Ms, like the yellow M&Ms, the green M&Ms out there online as well. So when you click on that link that I have down in the description below for you guys, then you will also see those as well. But that is this one. So if you guys have any questions, man, about any of the ones that I've shown you guys here today, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Also, let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one of these is y'all favorite. Already know one, the Jordan 1s is no doubt my favorite, along with the Xbox One controller, man. No doubt love those two. But let me know which one is you guys' favorite. And with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.
What up, squad? Yeah, we back with another one. AirPods Pro cases, these hotter than a sauna, son. Rather have these on than have scratches on my new cases. No matter if it's custom painted white, man, it's a disgrace. I said it. Link for all these cases, have them down below. Now, if you want to see more, then watch this video, though. I'll show you maybe what you want and what you need to know. Hit the subscribe button right now and enjoy the show. Squad.